Hi guys, I will show you how to sum in a less time in Excel. As much you can save your time. There is a two way to enter in Excel sheet. The first one is you all or no. Go to the all programs, then select the Microsoft Office and choose the Excel sheet. Then you can log that. It's a simple. Then direct step two is direct enter. We can, that is, run command on Windows R, then type Excel, then hit enter. It will open directly to Excel sheet. Then we will try first step 25, 50, 75. We will submit by the select three column, and we can look the loss and this side the sum average 50, count three cells, and total is 150. Okay guys, the second method is to type is equal to sum and tab, and we can select the cells and hit enter. It's a second step. The third step is we can see select the three cells at one time. First we will select, then you can see in the on home option auto sum. When you will edit it selected cells, it will calculate automatically 150. Look at that, 150. It's a third step. Now we will go to the simple and very quick step. Fourth step is equal to and alt plus and press plus at one time. Press the alt and plus at one time. It will select the upper arrow and it will show you the selected area of arrow total, and it enter. It will calculate automatically within a second. It's a very simple and very quick method. We can use the CZS method. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.